Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Wohven. I should say unbagging because it's not a box, but yeah. This is a t-shirt subscription. They do send like artist designed graphic tees each month. So they have options for men and women. I have one in here for me and one for my husband. So you can get a t-shirt monthly for $13. You can get a v-neck monthly for $14. You can get a blank tee for $9. A blank v-neck I think for $11. And then they also have long sleeve graphic tees, socks, a whole bunch of other subscriptions. I'm going to link to them below with my affiliate link so you can check them out, but I will also link to my full review so you can see us wearing our cool shirts. This is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to pop these out. So one's for my husband and one's for me. So I'm just going to take, I think they're the same. I'm not sure. So this is the medium. So this will be mine. And it has this really cool, look at that wave. It almost looks like that painting. I don't remember the name now because I'm talking about this and I can't think of it. But there is a painting, an old, like, you know, work of art. But this is really cool. I don't know if they give you information about the artist or not. I love the color scheme though. Isn't that neat? With like the really dark, almost purple and this teal color. It's really cool. I like that a lot. All right, so let's see if they give you, oh yeah, look, here you go. So, they're the same shirt. This is my husband's. It's the large. This shirt was designed by William Finch of Bournemouth, UK. And then it tells you a little bit about him and why they love this design. We love Will's fresh take on this classic style. We can almost see the water in motion, about to crash on the shore or maybe the middle of the ocean. So there is that. I think that's really neat. I like that you get a new cool shirt every month and it's not really expensive and they're super like soft, like it's super soft. I like that too. So if you're interested in my full review, I'm going to link to that. I will also link to Wohven so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. What do you think of this box too? Let me know down below. I'll see you next time. Bye.